So again, there are 5 steps to selling a property. First is preparation. This is when the owner prepares the property for sale, fix it up, talk to an agent, set the selling price. Second is marketing. Once the details are finalized, the agent will go to the listing, take photos and videos, and use those photos as marketing collaterals for the property, whether they will do it online or offline. Third is negotiation. So once there is an interested buyer, that buyer will go to the property, and if they like it, make an offer, and then property goes into negotiation. If both parties reach an agreement, the property goes to closing, which is the 4th step. So 4th step is closing. This is when you will contact an attorney to prepare the documents, do due diligence, and hire out the title transfer process to a processor. And then lastly, 5th is turnover. This can be done during closing, but sometimes done after closing. It will depend on how much time the seller needs to move out. Turnover schedule is usually agreed upon by both parties after negotiation.